just think you're a black dog too, don't you?
He's a mess.
You are a mess, buddy.
Monkey, look at all your big friends. There's a big friend.
Oh, God.
Todd, get off of her right now. That's just crazy. Come on. Come on, thank you. Now he's getting up on Daddy. Aww. That's your mini-me, Ty.
What's up, baby?
Too cute. Oh, Monkey. He is the most social little guy. He and Moose, that's why they were so terrific together. Oh, Monkey, that's inappropriate.
Did you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm the only one that gets to hump my brother. No, Ty's not a big humper.
Daddy doesn't like it.
You know what's weird is that Monkey will hump men more than he'll hump women.
Actual men or male dogs?
No, men. Actual men. Because at work he tried to hump all the men.
He did.
Yeah, because one of the guys, Jason's like,
They're
none
fine
of that,
babies.
None of that.
They're fine. Good boy, Monkey. You know, everybody always wants to hump Pat and Dave.
Yeah, he's a good looking dog.
Yeah. He must be easy.
Oscar, you okay, buddy? You got a little something in your eye. You're such a pretty eye. Gotta keep it healthy. Gotta keep it healthy.
Bizarrely, a picture with Brad Pitt. Got a picture now.
Monkey, you like your friends? Hey, baby. Monkey, you're so precious.
Hey, Roscoe, pick him up by his collar. He likes that.
No.
Crack me up.
Come on, you guys, let's go outside. I'm sitting here walking in circles.
You should pick him up by his
Come
collar.
on, let's go outside, guys. There's a little monkey, baby. Monkey is Mr. Popularity. Back in. Oh, yay. Monkey, are you happy to go to your new home? Huh? You get a family of your very own? They're going to love you and take care of you so well. Yay. Monkey.